What is going on, guys? It's Toby here and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video on the channel. Today we're going to be painting Sully's calipers white because obviously that green color scheme no longer goes with the car as of doing the half wrap. So I think it kind of just throws it off a little bit, and we're going to introduce white to the calipers. A lot of people on TikTok were commenting to make the rear calipers white and the front rapid blue, but I would have to put in a special order and it would take forever to get those in that color. So we're just gonna rock with the white in the front. I think it'll still end up looking pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. The deal here with prep, I've shown caliper paint jobs more than a few times on this channel, so I'm just gonna hit it with a wire brush. Then we'll put some trash bags on there, cover up the rotor, get the caliper covered up where it needs to be. So that would be where the brake pads are, and we'll full send it. But look how crazy this wrap looks right now with the light on it. So you can see the iridescence like crazy. What this look entails, I think we're ready for some primer here. So after finishing up with that wire brush, I hit it with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. It's ready to go, boys. Let's hit it with primer. Go ahead and wait for that first primer coat to dry out. I think you're supposed to wait like 10 minutes. That's what it said on the bottle. I scuffed up this, so we're gonna be productive here and get two things done at one time. This is now coat number 2, so same spraying pattern. So I spray, lift my finger, then put it back down for the other 50-50. So 50-50-50. Curious to see how many coats of white it's going to take to get this thing to turn like super white, because that's one coat right there and it looks super gray. All right, this is coat number 2 going on of the white. About you guys, but that front caliper turned out juicy. That is a super nice white. Just waiting for that last coat to sit on there, and then we'll do the gloss clear, which is literally right there. Put all the homies on that are going to try to do this at home after seeing this video. So this is VHT engine enamel gloss clear. You use this after spraying your primary color, and basically it ensures that the color is not going to get dull, and it provides some protection to the paint as well. So it's going to give it that gloss finish. I think you can also get a satin finish, but I went for the gloss because that's the intended look that I want. Alrighty, so now we're ready for the second coat of clear. I already did one. Obviously I have to film everything twice, but here we go. Nice and simple, same 50-50 overlap. I actually want to take the masking off as fast as possible, because if any of that paint dries that's in contact with your masking, it'll harden up and then peel super badly. Obviously I did a great job masking off, besides the fact that that bug decided to invite himself into my paint mid-paint. But anyways, yeah, there's no paint on my rotors. There shouldn't be any paint within the actual brake pads too, because that's all masked off. But I'm gonna finish up here and get everything out. Good morning, fellas. Hope you're having a fantastic day. But apparently we have to go move Sally right now, because we recently just moved to a new house, and I left Sally at the other apartment that we were previously residing in, and they threw a major fit about having the car there. So they said, move it today or we're towing the car. So we're gonna drive from Orlando to West Palm Beach right now. I guess you guys are also gonna get a new house tour, although I've already shown it, but we literally just moved in, so all of our stuff is kind of there.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so that was a successful road trip. It took me 3 hours with the traffic. Usually takes about 2 hours to get from John's to here, but this is the last time you guys are gonna see a video in this garage. Thank God. You all remember the extreme troubles that they put me through for working on the car in here, for even having this car, complaining that it was too loud every single day. So we can finally do away with this and see the new house. Come on, Sally. There we go. I'm kind of in disbelief. I just downshifted a few times right here leaving the apartment, and an R32 Skyline comes out of the parking lot, drifts the entire turn, and then has that huge turbo flutter as it was pulling out. That was sick. If only I had my dash cam plugged in, because I completely missed that one. Alrighty, fellas, we are finally at the brand new house. Like I said, you'll probably recognize this from one of the videos, but yeah, there's Sully. Got my mom's car, my stepdad's car. House is nice, man, but it is packed because we just literally moved. We just got Sally situated at the brand new house. So you guys have seen this thing on video, like I said before, but I'll show you my room, because I guess we decided with a different location for my room. So we walk in through here. This is the living room, all super messy. What's up, Leo? We have a pool in the backyard, all that type of stuff. Leo can run around now. And this is mine. So we have a whole bunch of stuff to put away, but I need to get back on the road to Orlando now. So everything is nonstop. That is insane. Say goodbye to those magnificent purple calipers. Now I know a lot of people didn't like how they looked, but I actually think they go super well with the blue. and I am gonna miss them. I mean, it is a super cool color, so you can see how it changes in the sunlight, but we're gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up and do away with them and make them white for the half wrap. So big rips to the purple Barney theme we had going on right here. Just some pliers here to take out some of the masking tape. So I put that here so it wouldn't spray the rotor and the inside of the pad. And if you guys are wondering, oh no, you know, you sprayed your pad, that pad does not make contact with anything. So it doesn't touch the rotor, all it does is touch the piston, and pretty much the piston presses it on the inner part. So not even the part that got painted. So long story short, that's not going to impact the function of the brakes nor do anything. Lordy, did those white calipers come out good. So let me know what you guys think. I definitely think that was the correct move to go white with them. If we move over to this side, and yes, before I see the million comments about the blue on the license plate area, I'm getting that done literally tomorrow after we put on a new exhaust. But check this out, that is tough. I still need to do the badges though, which I'll include within this video. But to make the caliper paint job a lot better, or give it a little bit of an added touch, I ordered these off of eBay. They're Camaro Rapid Glue stickers, and I already got one side stuck on, so it just gives it that extra touch with the white half wrap. So now we have blue Camaro Brembo stickers on the front of Sully, and they look sick. It's actually very simple vinyl transfer stuff. I messed up the Brembo, so I'm just gonna use one from the other stickers, and you just peel it back after you get it all secured. So here is the satisfying part. Whoa! Looks really, really nice with the wheel on, so definitely a nice addition. I don't know if I can even get it like in the angles properly. All right, camera, please focus. I'm trying to show them what this looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Sheesh. Now we are gonna have to wait for those to cure for about 8 hours, and then we're pretty much set to put them on the car. Now with the masking tape, it kind of peeled up some of the paint. That's the problem when you do like stuff like that, because basically you'll spray over the one, it'll hit the tape and then harden, and then when you pull it up, it'll pull up some of that paint with it. But I can trim it up with a knife, it won't look too bad. So I think we're gonna go ahead and pick this up tomorrow once we go ahead and put them on the car with some brand new adhesive and see the final result. It turned out pretty good. Just like that, my badges are now white on Sully. So came out really nice, you know, pretty good for a DIY at-home paint job with a rattle can. Obviously you're spraying in very small areas, so it could be a little bit difficult. We'll show the result. Move the car into the sunlight as much as possible, because I don't know, when it gets past 12 p.m. the sun hits very weird. Obviously part of the house is blocking it off, but that is the best we can do. So we have the half wrap on the back, white calipers now with blue Brembo stickers, and then you can see my LT1 badge. If we walk around to the other side, it's the same exact thing. You know, obviously nothing is changing here. LT1 badge, and it matches up perfectly with the half wrap. So Sally here, I need to sneeze. Sorry about that, is actually going to the ESS G3 kit or G3X. So that's a centrifugal supercharger sometime later this month. I'm also picking up an Audi S4 with 90,000 miles on it. It's a 2012, and we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff to that. Get it running like 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60s. You guys definitely have seen that on the channel. And now we have Sully here that's going to be Whipple supercharged by the end of this week. So we've got a lot going on with these cars here, and this came out fantastic. I really like it. So on that note, if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.